The Yamaha Aerox name has always been associated with aggressive design, sporty performance, and youthful energy. Now, as the world moves rapidly toward electric mobility, the 2026 Yamaha Aerox Electric is expected to bring that same iconic Aerox DNA into the electric era. This model is widely anticipated as Yamaha's answer to riders who want performance, style, and sustainability in one powerful package. Sporty Aerox design meets electric future. The 2026 Yamaha Aerox Electric is expected to retain the bold and aerodynamic design that made the Aerox series so popular worldwide. Sharp body lines, muscular panels, and a race-inspired stance are likely to remain unchanged, ensuring that the scooter still looks aggressive, even without an engine sound. LED lighting, a futuristic front fascia, and premium finishing are expected to give the Aerox Electric a strong road presence that stands out in urban traffic. Electric powertrain and performance expectations. At the heart of the 2026 Yamaha Aerox Electric is an advanced electric motor system designed for smooth yet sporty acceleration. The instant torque delivery, typical of electric scooters, is expected to make city riding quick and effortless. While maintaining Yamaha's reputation for refined performance, this electric Aerox is likely to offer multiple riding modes, balancing power and efficiency depending on the rider's needs. Battery range and charging capabilities. Battery technology plays a major role in the Aerox Electric's appeal. The 2026 model is expected to feature a high-capacity, lithium-ion battery offering a practical range, suitable for daily commuting and short highway rides. Fast charging support and efficient energy management could make this scooter ideal for riders who want convenience without long charging downtimes. Smart features and digital technology. The 2026 Yamaha Aerox Electric is expected to come packed with smart technology. A fully digital instrument cluster may display speed, battery status range, riding modes, and navigation alerts. Smartphone connectivity, app-based vehicle tracking, ride statistics, and over-the-air updates could further enhance the ownership experience, making it one of the most advanced scooters in its segment. Comfort, handling, and riding experience. Despite its sporty nature, comfort is expected to remain a priority. A well-cushioned seat, optimized riding posture, and improved suspension tuning could make the Aerox Electric comfortable for both short and long rides. Lightweight electric architecture and Yamaha's proven chassis design are expected to deliver excellent handling, stability, and confidence on city roads. Safety and braking system. Safety is a key focus for modern electric scooters, and the 2026 Yamaha Aerox Electric is expected to deliver strongly in this area. Features such as disc brakes, combined braking systems or ABS, traction control, and regenerative braking may be included to enhance rider confidence and efficiency. These features help ensure safe riding, even in wet or congested urban conditions. Expected price and market position. The 2026 Yamaha Aerox Electric is expected to be positioned as a premium, sporty electric scooter while official pricing is yet to be announced. It is likely to compete with top electric scooters in the performance segment. With Yamaha's brand value, reliability, and design legacy, this model could become one of the most popular electric scooters among young riders and enthusiasts. Why the Yamaha Aerox Electric matters. The arrival of the 2026 Yamaha Aerox Electric represents more than just a new scooter. It signals a shift toward high-performance electric mobility without compromising style or excitement. For riders who love the Aerox legacy but want an eco-friendly future, this electric version could be the perfect balance. From AcerShowroom.no, the 2026 Yamaha Aerox Electric is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated electric scooters of the future with sporty design, smart technology, electric performance, and Yamaha's trusted engineering. It has the potential to dominate the electric scooter segment.